Hello everyone, this is Yash Nama. Thank you for joining me on this video. Today we will go through a practice question on pricing based on target profit. Milton Corp runs a holiday home on the Gold Coast. For its operations, the company has leased a building at a rent of $100,000 per month along with 5% of the total room rental earned. The holiday home has three types of rooms for its guests: single room, double room, and family room. The capacity and occupancy of these rooms are as follows. There are 100 single rooms, 50 double rooms, and 25 family rooms, and we've also got the occupancy percentages for each of these room categories. The management would like to fix the rent of the double rooms at 2.5 times the rent of single rooms. The management would like to fix the rent of the family rooms at 2 times the rent of the double rooms. Other budgeted expenses for the year 2023 are as follows. We've got office staff salaries, wages of room attendants, electricity, repairs and maintenance, laundry expenses, interior decoration, and miscellaneous. The company targets to achieve 20% profit on total room rent earned. You are required to help the company determine the rent to be charged for each type of room. Base your calculations assuming 360 days a year. So let us first determine the occupancy for each of the room categories. There are 100 single rooms, and we are told that single rooms are occupied 80% of the year. So it will be 100 times 80% times 360 days a year. Double rooms are occupied for 90% of the year. So 50 double rooms times 90% occupancy times 360 days a year, followed by family rooms, which are 25 in number. These are occupied 100% of the year times 360 days a year. So we now have the annual room occupancy for each of the room categories. Now what we will have to do is to convert these annual room occupancy into equivalent single room days. So for single room days, the equivalent single room days would be the same as the occupancy room days. For double room days, we are told that the management would like to fix the rent of the double rooms at 2.5 times the rent of the single rooms. So the way we would calculate equivalent single room days for double rooms would be 16,200 times 2.5. We are also told that the management would like to fix the rent of the family rooms at 2 times the rent of the double rooms. In order to convert the family rooms into equivalent single room days, we have to multiply it by 2.5 times 2. The reason is double rooms are charged 2.5 times the single rooms, and family rooms are charged 2 times the double rooms. So by multiplying the occupancy room days of family rooms by 2.5 and again by 2, we will be able to convert the family rooms into equivalent single rooms. So the total occupancy in terms of equivalent single room days are 114,300 per annum. Next, let us make note of the budgeted expenses for the year 2023. So here we have the budgeted expenses of 2023 as given in the question. So we've made note of the staff salaries, wages, electricity, repairs and maintenance, laundry expenses, interior decoration, and miscellaneous. To this we have to add the building rent. The company has leased a building at a rent of $100,000 per month along with 5% of total room rental earned. So the building rent would be $100,000 per month times 12, 1.2 million plus 5% of total room rental. So the total expenses for the forthcoming period would be the sum of all these numbers. So the total expenses for the forthcoming period would be 3.721 million plus 5% of the total room rental. We are told that the company would like to earn a target profit of 20% of total room rental. So the total revenue would be total expenses plus target profit. So the total revenue can be written as 3.721 million plus 25% of total room rental. So the total revenue can be expressed in other words as total equivalent single room days times revenue per single room day. So let us assume that the revenue per single room day is R. So in this case the total revenue can be expressed as 114,300 times R. So 114,300 R is equal to 3.721 million plus 25% of the total room rental. So if we solve this equation, we will get the required room rent per single room day. So the room rent per single room day is 43.41. So in order for the company to earn a target profit of 20% on total room rent, the company should charge the following room rents. For single rooms, the company should charge 43.41. For double rooms, the company would charge 43.41 times 2.5, and for family rooms, the company would charge 108.52 times 2, 217.03. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and goodbye.